So currently, the ostrich, or the emu, is just, you can kind of see its eyes opening and closing. It closes from the top. You see that? I want to open up the window.
That's weird. Ours closed the opposite way.
Yeah. But it's awake now. It's awake and fully alive.
Come here.
It wants to be pet.
Oh, I'll pet you.
Lauren's gonna pet you. Oh god, it's gonna peck the camera. That's so weird. Beautiful bird. Mean, evil thing. Ooh, it gives me the chills.
Hey, hear that?
Hear that window going down? Oh god.
Come on.
Come in my car.
Come on. Come on.
It's like that. She's rather annoying. We're just gonna go. Okay. Oh my god. Okay, well. Wave it out the window. Your hand.
Oh, we have a car coming up. Oh, it's the ostrich rubbers.
Oh god, I want to see him do it. I want to see him in action again.
I don't want him to pull up right next to us. Yeah.